Hi everyone, Jennifer Katie here. I am so excited to be trying out this trending Dalgona coffee recipe with you today. I've actually wanted to try this recipe since I first saw it on TikTok, and I finally got round to doing it. This coffee looked too delicious and dreamy not to try. There's a lot of online chats saying it only takes 400 whisks to make Dalgona coffee. So I've decided today that I'm going to take the hand whisk challenge and see if it's really possible to whisk this delicious coffee up in just 400 whisks. You should take this challenge too, as many of us are still under lockdown, and at least you can tick trying Dalgona coffee off your bucket list. I'm going to show you how to make the classic Dalgona iced coffee. To make this creamy and luscious coffee, the ingredients you're going to need are instant coffee, milk, sugar, and some hot water. Yes, you heard that right, just 4 ingredients. If you have them, go grab them quickly and we can do this challenge together. This can be a simpler how-to recipe. First things first, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into our mixing bowl. 1.
I'm going to use freshly ground coffee.
There's a science to this. It has to be instant coffee because there's a preservative in it called xanthan gum, and this helps to stabilize it when it's being whipped up, creating this airy, frothy texture that we're gonna love. So that's the coffee in. Next, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, like so, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. Try not to burn myself. And that's all you're going to need for the first bit of the recipe. Just 3 ingredients. Now we just need to whisk our Dalgona ingredients into a caramel colored froth. Apparently this only takes a couple of minutes. So grab yourself a whisk and let's start counting. I'll let you do the counting and I'll do the whisking. While I'm relentlessly whisking away, why not hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so as not to miss out on any future recipe videos. Subscribing really helps to support my channel so I can continue making more awesome recipe videos for you guys. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and it's just starting to froth up. Here we go, look at that. It's starting to change color and starting to thicken up. It looks good. But my arms are starting to ache a little bit. Oh, my arms. They're actually really hurting. I can't whisk left hand, that's so like... How long have I been whisking now?
Just over 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. No wonder why my arms are hurting. Do you know what? We've done our 400 whisks a while back. It's almost done, but not quite. So I'm gonna keep whisking. But I tell you, my arms are literally aching all over. I keep swapping hands and my arms hurt so bad.
Why don't you use the hand to finish it off?
Do you know what? I actually started this by hand. I'm gonna finish it by hand. I'm not gonna let all the whisking I've done so far to be like a waste of time. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and 22 seconds and our Dalgona coffee is finally done. It's done! Well, that was easy. Do you know what? I don't know why I'm smiling. My arms hurt so much pain, but I'm hoping it's gonna be worth it. Look how delicious this looks. It's so creamy and dreamy. Do you know what? It'll be so funny if after all that whisking, this doesn't taste nice. Now that's the whipped Dalgona coffee topping ready. Now it's time for the milk. You can either use hot milk or cold milk. You can steam it, cook it over the hob. But today I'm going to be making iced whipped coffee just because I feel so hot. It's getting hot in here. So, first things first, you gotta grab yourself a glass and just like magic, it appears. Today, I'm gonna use my ice cream sundae glass just because I wanna give it a milkshakey vibe to it. But you can use any glass you like. First, we need to add in some ice cubes. Add in some ice cubes. And then we just gotta fill the glass up with milk. Remember to leave a little bit of room for our whipped coffee to go on top. Like so. Then grab a spoon and grab a big dollop of whipped coffee and place it on top of the milk. Do you know what? I actually thought that was gonna sink then. That would just be my luck today. This looks so cool. Here's an interesting fact for you. This is called Dalgona coffee because this fluffy, creamy, whipped coffee mixture looks just like Dalgona candy that you get from South Korea, which is like made of honeycomb toffee, which by the way, I also love. The great thing about Dalgona coffee is that it can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. So if you've made too much or you want to make extra to have over the next couple of days, you'll know that you have a whipped coffee ready. And to be honest, that's a really good idea. Ta-da! And my Dalgona whipped coffee is finished. Look how delicious this is. I can't wait to taste it. Do you know what? I'm actually gonna taste a bit of the whip first, just to see what it's like. I'm dying to know what it tastes like. Oh wow, that's actually pretty intense. That's like, I thought it was gonna be sweeter than that, but it's not, it's really strong. I do think that might actually taste nice, like as a cream for a posh dessert. I think that we're gonna need to give this drink a bit of a stir as the coffee topping was actually quite intense and strong in flavor, and I think mixing it in is gonna give it a silky smooth texture. Actually looks like warm fudge, doesn't it? McDonald's milkshake, eat your heart out. Now for the taste test. Oh wow, that is like absolutely deliciously tasty. The taste is just like out of this world. It's like creamy and smooth. It is literally like a coffee milkshake. It's so tasty, it's so good. And I need an energy boost after all that whisking too. This is definitely going to be my new summer coffee drink for this year. This tastes absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried making Dalgona coffee before, you should definitely give it a go and let me know how you get on. But I warn you now, don't try mixing it by hand. Please use a mixer. My arms are absolutely aching after all that whisking. Never again will I attempt to whisk Dalgona coffee by hand. If you enjoyed making this whipped Dalgona coffee recipe, you should give it a thumbs up and subscribe now. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite coffee is. Do you like it iced? Or do you like it hot and creamy? And why not share your experience with me on social media? You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. I'll add the links for you down below. I hope you all have a wonderful week and I shall see you all next time. And if you try making this Dalgona coffee at home, let me know what you think of this beautiful looking drink.